If I lost all my money and I had to start from scratch again, this is exactly what I would do to make over $10,000 every month super fast online. About 95% of millionaires that I know do this to get rich, and I will share with you exactly what it is with zero upfront cost. That's right, it costs you $0 to do this online business. It's crazy to think that most people don't know about this opportunity just yet, when in fact, it has been in front of you the entire time. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do to get rich, and you can get started on this right away. Now, before we jump into it, let me just share with you a backstory about myself, so hopefully this builds some credibility on why you should listen to me. This is exactly what I did to go from $0 to generating over $13 million online. In October 2017, I got fired from my 9-to-5 corporate job. This is probably the 5th job where I either got fired from or I got laid off from. I lost track because I hated my job. I was not making enough money, and I knew that I did not want to go back to another boring 9-to-5 corporate job. Not only did they not pay me enough, but they did not treat me with respect. Same with my spouse. Coincidentally, around that time, he lost his job as well. And together we thought, how are we going to make it in life? We wanted to buy a nice home. We wanted to have a nice car. We wanted to get married and have a family. We wanted that American dream. But it seemed impossible if we were to just go back to get another job, because like most people, we would be living paycheck to paycheck. So then we thought, we need to find another way to make money because we want to become rich. I saw all these people making so much money on social media, and I never understood how they did it. People had Lamborghinis, they had mansions, and they had the freedom lifestyle that I wanted. Back then, I thought that was impossible. So I did some research, and during that time, I met someone in person who started an online business, and he was also making a lot of money. And he was doing a business model where he had to ship physical products into Amazon's warehouse to make money. And no, I am not trying to sell you the Amazon FBA business model. That was a business model that I was doing before, and I made millions of dollars from it. But I found a better way to make money that was much quicker and much easier. So anyways, I saw this person make a ton of money online. So I asked him, what is it that you do? Because he told me all he needed was his laptop to make money. He was taking a trip with his family to Hawaii, and he said that he had unlimited vacation days. He did not have a boss that he had to report to because he was his own boss. And he said, all I need is my laptop. I can make money from anywhere. From that moment, I knew that I had to figure it out. I knew I wanted that lifestyle because I wanted the freedom to do what I want. I wanted the freedom to wake up whenever I want. I wanted that dream where I can have a nice home, have a nice family, and go on vacation whenever I want. I thought that was impossible until I did some research. So I went on YouTube and I found the Amazon FBA business model. So I gave that a try. On this YouTube channel, I have so many YouTube videos talking about how to make money on Amazon FBA because a few years ago, that was probably the #1 best online business model to get started with to make money online and become financially free. So I gave that a try for myself. I found winning products and I shipped those physical products to Amazon's warehouse. I created a listing on Amazon's online marketplace so customers can buy my products. There were a ton of steps involved. You had to find a winning product, find a supplier, ship your products to the Amazon FBA warehouse. Then there were wait times, and then you had to create your product listing, and then you had to run Amazon PPC advertising to get some sales. You had to launch your product. You had to get a mentor. There were so many steps involved, but somehow I figured it out. I figured it out and I started making over $30,000 per month by selling my own products using Amazon's marketplace. So from there, I started an online community because I wanted like-minded people who wanted to start Amazon FBA businesses to all come together and we can brainstorm on how to succeed in our Amazon FBA businesses. I need to tell you guys that if I did not have this online community, I would not be where I am at today. If you want to succeed in your online business and if you want to make millions of dollars, it all starts with a community of people who come together and share their powerful knowledge to get started. You cannot succeed alone. I am here to tell you that I did not succeed alone. If I did not have that group of people in that online community, then nobody would know about my videos online. Nobody would be watching me right now. And there would have been no way to find customers to pay me to make over $13 million online using this new online business model. So that online community grew bigger and bigger. The more I worked on my Amazon FBA business, the more people joined my online community because I was dropping a ton of value and knowledge. So people started coming to me and they started asking me, Tamara, can you coach me to start a successful Amazon FBA business? At first, I thought, that's crazy. You want to pay me to learn from me? This is something that I never thought of doing. And this is something that I was totally afraid of because I did not want to put myself out there online. I did not want to use my face and create these videos teaching people how to become successful Amazon sellers. But I noticed that so many people were willing to pay me for my knowledge. Whatever value that I was dropping in that online community, people were telling me, I will pay you money if you teach me. So I thought, okay, why not? What is there to lose? People want to learn from me and they were willing to pay money to get started. So I thought, okay, how can I transfer this information and everything I know to others so they can learn from me and make money as well? That's when I created my first online course. I packaged everything I knew into an online course by filming video tutorials, and then I sold my online course for money online. So I did not have to go to years of school to do this. I did not have to find another job. I was finally able to stay home because I had two businesses that generated cash flow. I had my Amazon FBA business that was making me money. And then I also had my online course business where people signed up to buy my online course and pay me to coach them so they can make money as well. It was a win-win type of situation because not only was I making passive income by selling my online program, but other people were making money from learning from me as well. That's when I discovered that anyone can package their knowledge on anything that they are passionate about into an online course and sell that knowledge for money. So from that point, I had two different online communities. I had one community where it was a free community where people were to come together and share their value and knowledge about the Amazon FBA business model, and anyone can join that community. And then I had a paid community where if anyone bought my online course, we were to come together, and this is where I hold live training sessions to train my clients to become successful Amazon sellers. So if these clients wanted live training and they wanted exclusive content from me, they were to join that paid community. So from there, everything blew up. I attracted more clients. My Amazon FBA business started to grow. That's when I met my business partner who I sold my Amazon FBA business to, and now he manages everything in the Amazon FBA business. So after he took over the Amazon FBA business side of things, I had time to grow my own online course business. This became my main focus because I was so excited and convinced at the fact that anyone can have an additional stream of income simply by selling their knowledge. So just imagine finding something that you are passionate about, packaging what you already know into an online course, and then selling your online course to make passive income, to generate ongoing cash flow. Many people don't know about this. I started getting myself involved in other online communities. I hired a mentor, and that's when I met other online millionaires that were also selling their online courses to make millions of dollars online. And this worked so well because you do not need to deal with physical inventory. You are dealing with a digital product. Everything is stored online. Everything is stored on your laptop. You do not have to see or touch physical inventory. So with many online business models, you have to deal with inventory. You have to deal with suppliers. You have to deal with other people to do fancy photography, to do shipping, to do freight, to do warehousing. It is endless with other online business models. But with this digital course business, you did not have to deal with any of that friction. You can get started right away. There are no wait times because all you are doing is sharing your valuable knowledge about something that you are passionate about and putting that material into an online course. And then you are selling your online course to people on social media. You are coaching others what you are truly passionate about. For example, I have a friend that makes 6 figures every month by selling his online coaching program, teaching men how to attract women. How funny is that? A lot of people don't know the dating game nowadays. So he thought, okay, since I have the girl of my dreams, why not share my advice and knowledge about women to other men so they can attract the love of their lives as well? So he packaged all his advice and knowledge into an online course, and people bought his online coaching program so they can attract the woman of their dreams. You can sell anything that you want online. You can get started on this right away, but you have to pick a specific niche that you know a lot of people are looking up online. For example, you may be passionate about something, but what happens if nobody is looking up that topic online? Lucky for you, I created a free online course showing you the most popular niches that people are searching up online. So you can just choose a niche and start creating your online course and selling that course for money. So if you want access to this free online course that I created, all you need to do is click on the link in the YouTube description below and join my community to get access to that course. On top of that, you will get access to more exclusive tutorials where I teach you how to build out your entire online course business, and most importantly, how to attract the right people to pay you for your online course. If you truly want to succeed and make 6 figures or even 7 figures every year by selling your knowledge online, then you know that it all starts with community. If you do not have a community of people working together to help you succeed, then you will not make it in your online course business. You will not make it in any business because the truth is you need help with others to succeed. And eventually you will have your own online community teaching other people what you are passionate about. And once you sign up to get access to my free course, I also teach you how to grow your own online community. If I never had my online community about Amazon FBA, I will not be where I am at today. If you don't have people watching your videos and consuming your content and listening to what you have to share with others, then you will not attract your first client. So make sure you sign up to be a part of my community in the YouTube description below. Just click on the link to get access to my community and get started with the free introductory course. If by the end of all this, you think this is not for you, that's okay. But it is better to give this a try than to not try at all, because I cannot think of another online business model that will have 0 upfront costs where you can get started on right away. It just does not exist. I also want to mention that you do not need to be an expert to teach someone else how to do something. So going back to my example with my friend who has an online dating program teaching men how to attract their significant other, It's not like he dated hundreds of women and he has all this expertise on women, and now that makes him qualified to teach other men how to attract women. No, he has had a girlfriend for many years, and he knows how to keep his women happy. He thought, I know what it takes to attract a woman. So why not package everything I know about attracting women into an online course? And he made 7 figures by doing that. I was also not an expert when I started my Amazon FBA online course, but I knew how to find that winning product. I knew how to help other people make at least 6 figures per year because I made 6 figures per year, so I was qualified to share my knowledge with someone else. So if you are good at something, or if you have good advice about something you are passionate about, then this is the #1 online business you can get started with right now today to start making some money. You will be surprised at how many people are willing to pay you for your knowledge. Just like how I am surprised at the fact that people are willing to pay me millions of dollars teaching them how to make money online. So again, if you want to get the free course that I created to help you select a niche and start building your entire online course business, it is available to you in the YouTube description below. Just sign up for my community to get it. And I will talk to you inside of the community.